Top 10 Trending Tech to Master in 2022. Revolution is coming. You've probably already noticed that it's a crazy time to be alive when it comes to technology. We've seen mobile phones go from brick-sized devices with only a little more power than a calculator to a powerful pocket computer that takes high-res photos and allows you to watch this video on the go, for example. But what comes next in tech? And what should we be focusing on when it comes to the next phase of development? Here are the 10 most advanced trending technologies that you should master in 2022, because a revolution is coming, especially in the world of business.
This is Techtastic.
Number 10. Hyperautomation. Hyperautomation immediately sounds cool, because anything does when you put hyper in front of it. But hyperautomation is far more than just a mix of tools and derivatives that can automate a wide variety of processes and tasks. Government organizations and corporations all over the world are seeing massive results through hyperautomation. The technology now exists where decision-making abilities can be applied to existing business processes, and machines can predict market trends and financial balances and adjust accordingly, effectively handing mandates to even CEOs. In fact, it basically removes the need for a company to even have a C-suite. A hyperautomation will be able to decide the best course of action for any company. Number 9. Distributed enterprise. How can you improve productivity in business with technology? With the business models and relevant opportunities that can be driven by distributed enterprises as a trend, plenty of organizations that follow traditional business tactics can advance. With a push towards remote work and outsourcing, distributed enterprises can allow management to engage with their staff and their customers geographically after distributing their workforce to broader areas. They can also capture momentum through this by being able to provide their services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and react to issues faster without the need for transport that's often delayed. Your company can be everywhere. Number 8. Decision intelligence. It can be really tough when you can't identify the true value of the data of any massive multinational organization. Maybe you're fed up with worrying about the potential changes that artificial intelligence might go through, just like humans do. Thankfully, you won't have too much more, because decision intelligence will help you to sleep at night with its disciplined and outcome-based decision-making process. It can explain in detail all the potential possibilities associated with the data, thanks to its keen and unmatched insight. It can also analyze various factors that can impact your external or internal data. It will present you with a collection of pertinent options, allowing you to make good decisions. Number 7. Generative AI. Generative AI is basically a set of algorithms that can produce new plausible material for existing information such as text, audio files, or photographs. Generative AI, according to the MIT Technology Review, is one of the most promising advancements in AI in the last decade. Generative AI makes it possible for computers to understand the patterns of a certain input and then produce comparable material based on that pattern. Generative adversarial networks, transformers, and variational autoencoders are some of the approaches that may be used to do this. Number 6. Privacy-enhancing computation. Since the pandemic, no company is the same as it was, having had to adopt a largely cloud-based environment. Remote work is, as previously mentioned, on the rise, and privacy-enhancing computation allows you to protect data and maintain privacy online. This means that when you or your organization process data online, perhaps in untrusted environments, the decentralized processing and analytics will protect your data from being farmed and will make it easier for you to protect yourself from those who would seek to profit from your information. Number 5. VR shopping. Live shopping, as it's called, has been able to combine virtual reality or augmented reality to fulfill the needs of customers who are shopping online. With this trend, and especially in the metaverse, you'll be able to try products and services and find out their specifics before you commit to them. It will allow for automated payments in a convenient way and make use of security protocols to allow responsive, secure, and trustworthy human-like interactions. The metaverse will be filled with this kind of trending technology, especially as the internet overall becomes more and more like a mall every day. Number 4. CNPs. CNPs, or cloud-native platforms, are able to monitor, optimize, and deploy apps entirely through a chosen cloud network. Manual management will be less necessary as the cloud-native platforms will be supported by themselves, and they'll automate tasks and actions so that your company will be able to experience faster growth while delivering a better customer experience. If your business is looking to adopt new technology to streamline productivity, a CNP could be the best way to go, as they are robust and intuitive and allow you to meet the increasing and changing demands of customers. Number 3. No-code solutions. This one is simple and has one amazing purpose: speeding up software development. You don't need to employ a team of coders to be able to embed coding languages because the code will be done for you. In essence, not only is a no-code solution a time saver, but also a cost saver. Their unique features can quickly help those who have no coding experience to create something that increases the visibility of their businesses online. There's no need to pay out hundreds or thousands of dollars to build and maintain applications that use the conventions of programming languages, when you can get a no-code solution that will do the same tasks. Number 2. Internet of Behaviors. You've probably heard of IoT, or Internet of Things, like Wi-Fi compliant light bulbs and whatnot, but Internet of Behaviors is a subset of this that gathers information about the trending patterns of user activity and their interests, while allowing you to influence the buying behavior of your customers and clients. Basically, IOB refers to behavioral data that can be collected and analyzed from the Internet of Things and other sources, and can then make use of that data to improve your business model and opportunities to understand your customers more intimately than you would normally be able to. Data has become vital for business since the Internet first appeared, and now more than ever, it's important to collect, analyze, respond to, and understand various behaviors that you'll find your customers engaging in. Internet of Behaviors will be able to predict which way a customer will want to go and what they're looking for because of the information it has learned about them. It's going to allow you to remotely collect info on what people do when they access your services and products, allowing you to become more competitive, not to mention aiding in scalability. The sky's the limit. Number 1. Blockchain. You've probably noticed that blockchain technology is on the up and up, thanks to a decentralized nature that allows you to avoid having other people logging your data and information. If you're running an organization or trying to overcome the problems of databases that require people in order to operate, then blockchain tech can really help you out. You can even make use of smart contracts to validate, well, anything. And you'll be able to make use of the higher level security that means transaction costs will be shut down as low as you've ever seen them, while payments can be made with almost no hassle at all. This is why cryptocurrency is the top dog at the moment, and suddenly everyone is looking to blockchain technology to see what other things the decentralized ledger can accomplish. And that's the list. 10 trending technologies that you should steep yourself in as soon as possible, because they're going to be huge. What do you think about these technologies? Comment down below. Share this video and share the knowledge. Hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to Techtastic.